Hello and welcome to vidIQ. Over time, Windows collects temporary files and cache data that can clutter your drive. In this tutorial, I will show you how to safely clear these files to keep your PC running smoothly. Open Settings, then go to System in the sidebar and select Storage. Windows will scan for files you no longer need, such as update logs and previous installations. Then click on Temporary Files. Check the boxes for items you want to remove and click Remove Files. Finally, select Continue. Next, we can clear the DNS cache, which can help resolve internet connection issues caused by outdated or corrupted DNS records. Right-click the Start button, then select Terminal. You should open it as admin and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. After a moment, you will see a success message. If the Microsoft Store is feeling slow, you can reset its cache by pressing Windows key plus R and then typing wsreset.exe and hitting Enter. A blank command prompt window will appear for 10 to 30 seconds while it works, then close automatically and the store will open. Finally, don't forget your browser. In Microsoft Edge or Chrome, pressing Ctrl+Shift+Delete opens the menu to clear your browsing data and cached images. Clearing cache isn't a magic fix, but it's a great way to clear out digital clutter. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to vidIQ. Stay reachable, and I will see you in the next one.